Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So thank you for joining us here on Odoo discussions. Uh, if you haven't subscribed to our channel and if you are focused and want to expand your Odoo expertise and want to stay ahead of the curve, so please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications icon so that you can get the notification. By subscribing, you will never miss out the latest tutorials, coding sessions, and in discussions. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic, which is related to translations in Odoo. So we will discuss today about fields translations, updating the labels translation in Odoo, updating the warning messages translation, and also we will discuss how you can access the field values in different languages. So first of all, we will discuss related fields translation. So like this is the field which is course title, and we want to make it like to be able to translate it in multiple languages that are activated for users. So in order to understand this, first of all, we will have to activate 2 or 3 languages. So first of all, we will have to activate the debugger mode, and then we need to go to the settings and translation and languages. So like by default, English US will be activated for each Odoo instance, but in this case, I want to try to activate this language, which is Arabic. So let me click here to activate it and then add it. So after activating this language, we will be able to switch the user language to Arabic, and we will see all these fields and labels and menus in Arabic. So for example, if I go here, I can see all these in English, but let me switch my language to Arabic, and then you will see all these labels and fields where you will change to this new language that I selected for this user. So here you can see it's everything is in Arabic right now. So if we click here, we can see all the menus, the main menus of the modules are in Arabic, but only the menu that our module have does is not in Arabic, and here in our module everything is in English. So what is the reason? Because we have not yet added Arabic translation for our module, and we have not activated a translation for any of the fields. So in order to activate the translation for a field, what we need to do is in the fields definition, we need to use another attribute, which is translate equal to true. So this attribute will make the field translatable, and we can add translation for a field. So let me just add this translation attribute for name, description, and session name. Okay, so that I can add translation for these 3 fields. After adding this attribute, I will have to restart Odoo service. So let me go to the apps, and we need to search for the module that we have, like the custom module. So let me search for it. Upgrade. So we will upgrade this module, and then let's see what is the problem. So no operator given for the type. You must. What's this problem? Let me check. So this error could be because, let me just remove it and then let me try it. If it works without adding translation on text field, let me try it and upgrade it. Okay, so it is working. So I think this issue is because we cannot add translation on text field, so translation is not available for this field. So you can see it has been upgraded. So let me go to Open Academy, and then let me go to this field. So here we can see this icon, which is en, and if we click here, it opens up a translation menu or a translation screen for this term, which is Odoo 16. So if I go to Google Translate, and let me try to translate this from English to Arabic. Okay, so let me this, and then let me copy it and paste it here. Okay, so the same way I can do for this one also. Like you can see, it is translatable. So if I click here, it will show me this. If I try to translate this one and add the translation for this in Arabic, okay, and save it. So there is no effect right now because we are in the English language. So if I change the language back to Arabic, I will see the difference, and these terms will show the Arabic translation. So this is how we can add translation for different fields value, and how we can make the fields translatable. So here you can see the course title, which is still in English, and we will discuss how we can make this in Arabic, but the value is showing in Arabic, and also for this term same. So this is how we can make the fields translatable. And in order to keep the videos short, I will just record another video for the topic to make the fields label translatable, and how we can translate the fields label. So in this video, this is enough, I think. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon. Thank you.